Hello friends, welcome back. We've got at least one team, two teams it looks like. One of them could be a solo though. I don't really want the sniper, but that's all there is. Switch for the RPD here. Pop a quick kinetic here. This guy's like right up. Oh, that was a bot. Real guy down. I have no bullets, so I gotta move. This guy's stealing my kill. Well, guess I should have looked before jumping on that zip line, huh? That was way too close. Way too close. But we got him. So I'll take that. Today we're looking at a couple of different weapons to showcase the Ocean Waves camo from the secret caches. So that's gonna be the plan here. I hate this sniper. I'm not even gonna reload it at this point. Alright, we got some shots over here. And I have acquired one of two so far, and we're heading over to this custom drop up there to get our second one. But the first one is the Tundra Sniper, and the second one will be a Creek 6, which is the gun we already have on hand, but this one will be having the Ocean Waves camo. So I'm seeing quite a few real human on the kill feed. So I'm excited about that. And I have not used the... Hold on. Are you serious?
Airdrop incoming.
Did I not put it on? Well. Now I'm sad. I guess I forgot to put it on. Well, this is the Tundra with the camo, and it's the legendary Tundra, so it's got a lot of other stuff in it, but I think the camo looks pretty clean on it. Hearing shots down here. I'm gonna go ahead and push. Ooh, somebody just got sniped. And I want to say that I heard the snipe here too. Couldn't tell you the last time I used the Tundra. Or the Creek 6. I just can't believe that I didn't put the camo on the Creek 6. I was so sure I did. Okay, so these guys all the way over there. guess I'll push.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. There's all sorts of people out here. Right, we got 2 guys down. Got somebody else here still. That guy's all the way over there. This guy's going down. Alright, we gotta go. Circle's coming in, so we gotta go. I do not wanna get stuck in the circle. We got a lot of people back here. I'm a little bit sad about the Creek 6, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, we're in circle now. So I hit that guy twice. And somehow didn't get the finish. I'm gonna throw that in there. Right? The other guy went down there to heal.
Airdrop incoming.
So I'm gonna pop a quick kinetic. And that was the last guy. Things are feeling good, honestly. Oh. This guy has a shotgun.
Time for a fire sale.
Just like that, another squad wipe. Craig 6 feeling decent too, honestly. I'm surprised. This guy had an HSO. Alright, we gotta move to the circle here, so let's get going. We got some shots up here.
The last 5 teams.
They're real human. Nothing like a good old headshot snipe to finish the bot eliminations there. We have 4 players left. I hope it's not 1v4, but who knows? We'll find out here in a minute.
Airdrop incoming.
Okay, that was one bot down. That scared me, honestly. Had no idea he was that close. And we got 3 people left. I didn't hear the voice say that it was 1v1 team-wise, so This might just be bots at the end. Honestly, this
The
game was
safe zone
pretty
is
good.
collapsing.
And the Ocean Waves camo does not look bad. You guys let me know if you think it looks better than the Astronomy camo from Gundam that we're getting for free as well. I honestly like the Gundam one better. The galaxy effect, the little stripes, I don't know. We have so many blue camos already. So, that is my thoughts. But this one's not bad. And honestly, the Tundra is pretty good too. And there we go, last player. GG's.